Yo guys, welcome back with me, Kenwilboy. I'm the founder of fortunomarkets and a professional trader with over 10 years of experience. Okay, so which brokers is the best, has the highest leverage, the lowest spreads? That's always the question, right? Everybody asks. Before I recommend you or before I tell you this broker is the best, that broker is the best, I would like you to know like what are the criteria of choosing brokers in the first place, and how does leverage work in the first place. So how does leverage work? Leverage work by magnifying your position size. It's like a loan from the broker that allows you to trade bigger position with smaller amount of your own money. Let's say 1 to 100. It means that with $1 of your money, you can trade $100 worth of position in the market, in any assets. If you're trading XAUUSD, of course, it's gold. So with $1 of your own money, you can trade $100 worth of gold, or maybe Euro USD. So with just 100, maybe 1 to 100, with $1 of your money, you can trade $100 worth of Euro USD contract. You can trade both ways. While trading with leverage or in futures market, you can trade both ways, buy position or sell position. So if in a buy position, if the market goes up, you win, you will gain money. And the opposite for sell position. If you open a sell position, when the market moves down, you basically gaining money, make some profit. But if the market moves up, you lose money. That's how Forex or futures trading work. So with leverage, the bigger the leverage, the bigger the positions that you can open with the same amount of money. Some brokers offer 200 leverage, some 500, some 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. But I'm going to tell you, this broker offers you unlimited leverage. Yes, I'll repeat that again, unlimited leverage. So you can open huge position with a very small amount of margin or capital. Now I will show you some examples of leverage here. Let's say XAUUSD or gold. One lot of gold equals to around 330,000 in contract size. Take a look at this. This is the good thing using fortunomarkets. You can check the contract size directly on the trading platform if you check into the instrument details here. See, one lot of XAUUSD is worth 330,000 US dollars. But you don't need that much money to open one lot of gold. Let's say you got 1,000 leverage. That means to open 330,000 worth of gold contract, you only need 330,000 divided by 1,000. You only need 330 US dollars. That's with 1,000 leverage. How about with unlimited leverage? Well, unlimited leverage is actually 1 to 10,000. It's huge, it's very big. You only need around 33 US dollars to open 330,000 US dollars worth of gold contract. Isn't that huge? Yes, that's huge. That's insane. That's the benefit of this unlimited leverage. Take a look at this. Right now in my account, I only have $12 in my balance. Take a look at this, $12. But I could open, let's see, 0.3, 0.4, oh, it's too much, 0.3, maybe 3.5, yeah. See, I can open 0.3 lots of gold contract with just $12. And you know how much is one lot? One lot is 330,000 US dollars. 0.35 is worth 117,000 US dollars. See here, 117,000. It means with just $12, I could open $117,000 worth of gold contract, which means I could gain a lot of money. Yes, that's right. You could gain a lot of money with high leverage, but also you have an increased risk, okay, greater risk. So leverage increases both your potential gain and also risk. Okay. So, but choosing a broker is not only about leverage, right? Yes, that's right. This is my criteria for choosing a broker. I would not just tell you like, oh, use fortunomarkets, this is the best. No, I'm not going to sell you things like that. I will tell you why I think this broker that I use, Fortune Markets, is the best. So my criteria for choosing broker, actually I've used hundreds of brokers out there in the world, from various regions with various regulation. My criteria for choosing a broker, a good broker, number one, it needs to have a huge maximum leverage, because to trade forex or futures, I would only use the money that I can afford to lose anyway. So why not maximize that? Well, there is a theory that said you could only lose 100%. But if the potential gain is 1,000%, why not? You could gain 1,000% with only 100% risk. So why not? For me, actually, it's better for you to go all in while you're trading with high leverage than you're doing try to minimize the risk. If you want low risk, you should not trade with leverage to begin with. So when you're touching with playing around or touching with leverage, you should go all in, maximize that, because it's play money anyways, play money. You use money you can afford to lose. That's basically it. Rule number one in trading: only use money you can afford to lose. Never use everything in your bank account. No, never do that. Use portion of your bank account. Yeah, if you lose, it's okay. If you win, you could win big. Yeah. So number one, my criteria, I need a broker with high maximum leverage. The higher the better. Number two, it needs to be regulated or have a strong global presence. It's very important, because I've experienced back then with several brokers, my profits is canceled or taken away from me because they would make up some reasons, oh, because you this, that, you did. Basically, they don't want to pay my profits. So for me now, it's not about the regulation. Regulation is number two. Back then, I've experienced some withdrawal issues with quite several regulated brokers. For me, global presence is more important. So when they have a huge global presence, why would they risk their name? Why would they risk their reputation for just, peanuts, withholding your money? Your money should not be an issue anyway. So your money is only like peanuts compared to what they have. If you're using a small broker, when you try to withdraw maybe a huge sum of money, that kind of money is huge for them. But if you're using a huge broker in the world with strong global presence, well, if you're withdrawing $1,000, $10,000, that's nothing for them. That's peanuts. Why would they risk their reputation, their global reputation for that? So for me, global reputation and huge global presence is important, because, it shows their capability to pay your profits, or their capability to operate well, to pay your money, basically, to give your money. So they have no reason to withhold your money, because that kind of money is too small anyway for a big brokers, right? So that's point number two. I need a broker with strong global presence or a good regulation. But regulation is not enough. I would prefer strong global presence over good regulation, because these days you can buy and sell companies easily. So some sketchy brokers are doing that. They bought a good regulation from a trustworthy regulators, but I know the regulators they don't know that the company has moved hands and the new owners is a sketchy owners, or that happens. So for me, a strong global presence and with a great credibility is way more important. Point number three, I need broker with competitive fees, like low spreads, low commission or even zero commission, low overnight fees or swaps, or even zero swaps. I need those kind, because when I'm trading a lot, so those fees adds up, even though it's not much if you're trading only sometimes, but when you're trading quite intensively, those fees do add up. Next, point number four, I need user-friendly trading platforms, of course, because especially if I'm using this broker for my YouTube content or my video, or for teaching my students, my friends, I would need user-friendly platforms with advanced tools and with all the indicators, all the tools you will ever need. Next, point number five, I need a broker that offers a diverse range of tradable instruments. Why? Because, although I'm trading mostly on gold and major forex like Euro USD, but it's good to have all the options. It's like you're going to a war, you're going with one gun versus two guns. Which one would you choose? Although you might prefer A over B, like you might prefer your assault rifles over your pistols, but having two is good, for backups. That's what I would like from my broker too. I would like them to have all the instruments, especially now with the cryptos. Not all brokers offer cryptos, but if they do offer cryptos, it's a nice addition, because crypto markets never sleeps. They're always open 24/7. Unlike Forex, which are only open 24/5. So 5 days a week from Monday to Friday. Next, point number 6, I would like the broker to give me good signals on market research. Well, for more experienced trader, actually signals and market research, they don't really need it, but for beginners, it really helps, Because, sometimes you don't know what to trade or when is the time to buy or sell. When a broker gave you market research or market analysis from a more professional guy creating the research, it helps you to get that confidence, Sometimes it's time to buy, but you're still unsure. Should I buy or no? Or should I buy now? Should I buy later? But with the help of market research from a professional trader or professional analyst, it helps you, to gain that confidence. So yeah, that's all the boxes it needs to tick for me to choose a broker. And for me, the clear winner, compared to hundreds of all the brokers out there, the clear winner is Fortune Markets. For leverage, I've already shown you. It got unlimited leverage, so it's written here as 1 to 10,000 because unlimited, there needs to be some numbers, right? So 10,000 is the number, but it's very big, very, very big. Most other brokers, they will only give you maybe 1,000 or 2,000 leverage, but here in Fortuno, you're getting unlimited. Yeah, so it is huge. That's very big. So leverage is Fortune Markets currently one of the highest, if not the highest in the world. And for strong global presence, of course, it got more than 100,000 users worldwide, operating in more than 20 countries, very big, credible, trustworthy broker. And we always process all of our withdrawals quickly. So no matter how much you're withdrawing, either $1, $10, $100, or even $100,000, we process them in minutes, instantly, and 24/7. So yeah, we process withdrawals even on the weekends. And number 3, competitive fees. Of course, take a look at the spreads here. See, gold, this spread is like half of what other brokers offer. And we don't charge any extra commission or overnight fees. No, forget about that. Commission, overnight fees, you're only paying for the spreads, and the spreads is also very low, basically almost zero. And then about point number 4, user friendly. Of course, this is one of the best trading platform in the world. I think it's better than MetaTrader, because most of other brokers, they are still using MetaTraders. Yeah, it's good. It's a good platform, but right now the features is kind of outdated. This Fortune Markets, we collaborate with TradingView, so you can just turn on TradingView here, and you can access all the indicators offered by TradingView here. Thousands of indicators, way more than MetaTrader's indicator. But this is more modern, more good looking than most of the other trading platform. Very good. Yeah, you can draw around and do some charting here, because you got all the tools here. It's integrated with TradingView. Fortune Markets is one of the few brokers that are already integrated with TradingView, because there are not many. Currently, there are only a few of it. So it's good. Yeah. Range of instruments. We got more than 300 instruments to trade with, from commodities, forex, you name it. Crypto, stocks, indices, like US 100, US 30, US 500, stock indexes, you name it. Everything is available here. And then signals. Oh yeah, Signals, we also gave signals in our Telegram group in English, so you can access it from anywhere around the world. No matter who you are or where you are, you can use our signals for free or market analysis. So this is our market outlook or signals. Yeah, our team consists of professional traders with more than at least 5 years of experience needed to join our team. So yeah, these signals is not playing, guys. It's the real deal, because our team is really good. They are all experienced traders and analysts. So yeah, you can follow, or yeah, you can follow. Of course, you need to always cross-check with your own decision, but it's good to know, you got guidance from a professional analyst from our team, Fortuno's team. Yeah, we provide it for free, so you don't need to join other VIP or paid group, paid signals, courses. No, forget all of those. We got you covered all for free here. Yeah, we got thousands of traders following our signals already, so you can use it here. It's free. If you want the link, check the link in the description. It's free. And of course, to join Fortune Market is free also. You only need to pay for the spreads when you're trading live account, buy or sell. If you're using demo account, it's free, no problem. So yeah, Fortune Markets tick all the boxes, and me as the founder, I show my face here. So that's a plus point compared to a lot of brokers where you don't even know who's the owner, who's the founder, what are they going to do with your money, why are they hiding, you don't know. But here, we're trying to change the industry, we're trying to be more transparent. So yeah, Fortune Markets, the best broker in the world. You can compare it. You don't listen to my word. Don't ever listen to somebody's word. Compare it with yourself, okay? Fortune Markets, best broker in the world, #1. If you want to join Fortune Markets or start trading, creating an account, check the link in the description. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon down below. Thank you for watching, and peace out.